Hello everyone, it's me Mohammad Zafar Khan. Today is 9/11. This day is always remembered because of the biggest event which happened in Pentagon uh, by that strike which was happened by the Osama bin Laden. Because of him, the tragic situation and the face of all the Muslims in the world was damaged. Because of him, every Muslim was seen like in a negative role, to wonder by the West that they are terrorist kind of a people, without even knowing they're the Muslims who are behind all the positivity in the globally was behind them. As you know, the founder of Islam is Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, is the leader not only for us but for whole the mankind. And if you categorize the leadership values and all his ethics and and the way he educated every kind of a person, he come on even today on the number one spot in the world and remain number one. And even every non-Muslim who is well educated and open-minded will learn a lot of from his personality. So my a big consolidation for this event, because this event is not 9/11 is not for the West, but it is for the whole globally. Whoever done unethical, unreligious, because what even in Islam, in religion, not allows you to do. Who practices, he should be condemned from every Muslim in the world. And because of him, even today in 2019, after Osama bin Laden died was killed by the US agents in Abbottabad. After this, the situation was still not comfortable for them. And even today in Afghanistan, the stability was not fully completed. Still, the Trump and the Taliban talk and fight was not fully resolved because of this reason. Because if you meet today Afghani people, there is you find hate in them for Americans, because the way the war was posted towards them, and their generations and after generation was lives were destroyed because of the 9/11 incident. It is the biggest pain for every person in the global who faced this situation, especially Afghanistan. And prior to this, Pakistan was alive with America. So in Pakistan, the reaction was also negative, and we Pakistani like me was in all Pakistan lived in a fear because of this terrorism, because counter attack was always open for you. There are suicide attacks and bomb attacks, and the drone always happens. So this situation need to be resolved. I don't know when it is resolved. So I pray to God that He help to His servants and of nature to unite and do positivity for the humanity, and do peaceful things, so that our global planet will be peaceful in a before 9/11. It will be peaceful like that, and we do positive modern work for the humanity, and do work for and not make any caste, creed, color or country a reason to do injustice or inequality with them.